We went from almost being in a deficit at the beginning of January right the way up to more leads this month than I had in the last 3 years, just under 60,000 in sales and revenue. Before TM, there was no structure in the company. It was just going day to day, plodding along, making a living, but nothing substantial. So having the course run by ex-tradies, it just gives you confidence that what they're preaching is actually achievable. It's not just they've written a program that could work, they're living what they're preaching, and I'm starting to see the rewards of that now. Started off having a really bad start to the year, started really focusing on what we've been going through over the last couple of months, and we've had more leads this month than I had in the last 3 years, and we went from almost being in a deficit at the beginning of January right the way up to just under 60,000 in sales and revenue. Whoever their background is, if they want to scale up their career, whether it's going from a one-man band up to a multi-million-pound company or just make their life a lot easier, anyone looking to self-progress, this is the way to go. I definitely recommend Trade Mastermind. It's worked for me very well so far, and I'm looking forward to what the next couple of months will bring.